And we got the Gamma 11s on release day. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys were able to cop. If you did, please comment a bunch of fire emojis. If you guys did not cop for whatever reason, comment down below a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who picked up the Gammas today. It's been over a decade and they're back. Crazy. The last time these released, yeah, I was in high school, so wow, wild. Life's completely changed ever since. But yeah, they're back. They are back. So good to see them. Let's go take a look at them. I do have a little bit more things to do, I think, but yeah, let's go ahead and I do want to take a look at the Gammas. This mall is packed. I'm in the Freehold Mall. I did not win where I usually do. I won where I used to win like a few years ago, like 4 years ago. But yeah, cool to see this mall. Haven't been here in a while, but it's packed. It is the holiday season, December 13th. Christmas around the corner. This year went by very fast. Is it just me or this year fly? Went by extremely fast. Anyway, we got the Gammas. Good to see them. Resale is absolutely above 300, which is nice to see. You know, a Jordan 11 going for above 300 again. But yeah, it's cool to see the Gammas. And let me get out of here and focus what I got to focus on. All right, well, we'll take a look at the shoes when we get back at the crib. And we'll take a more in-depth look at the Gamma 11s. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. And we caught the Gammas. All right, let me go focus on what I got to do. And we'll take a look at the shoe at the crib. Let's get a little sneak peek of the Gammas. I do want to take a look at them. My name is on the box, size 11. And let's see. Take a look at the Jordan 11. They do have the carbon fiber tissue paper. No special box. Well, it is a special box, but not like the drawer pull-out box. And boom, there they are. So you do get the sticker. Make sure your pair comes with a sticker and the lines. And here they are. The 2025 Jordan 11 Gamma with the high cut patent leather for the first time. This is not a sneaker personally I really care for too much. Back when they released for the first time, I didn't care for them. I really don't care for the Gammas. I never did. It was never a shoe I was a crazy fan of. I like an all black Jordan 11, but I'm not crazy about these colors. What's with the cyan and yellow and maize, varsity maize? I don't know. I'm just not into it. But I never cared for the Gammas, but it's cool to see them retro them with the high patent leather, which is nice. Personally, I just like the cap and gown so much better. It's just an all blackout Jordan 11, which I think just looks much better than these extra colors, but not a big deal because you could probably just cover those up when you're wearing them anyway, but not a big deal. But yeah, still a nice shoe nonetheless, an all black for the most part Jordan 11 that you can't go wrong with. And that icy blue bottom there, it does have that like translucentness, but it is smoky gray, so it's gonna yellow, but it's gonna take a longer time to yellow than say a Concord Jordan 11, for example. You do have the carbon fiber shank plate, and yeah, very nice quick look at the Gammas. They do of course have the Jumpman on the inside, no Nike Air on them, which is not expected. I was not expecting a Nike Air. If they put a Nike Air, it would have been another change from the first release over a decade ago, but they did not do that, so that's good. Kept it basically the same shoe except for the patent leather. Just changed it up, made it a little bit taller, closer to the OG, like they have been doing for the past handful of years with the Jordan 11 since, I don't know, 2018, something like that, 2017, 16 with the Space Jams. Pretty sure it's 2016 with the Space Jams for the first time for the high cut patent leather. So Space Jams, apparently, if you guys don't know, well, now you will know, because Space Jams are apparently coming out next year, and those are a must. So these, I'm gonna let them go probably, but nice to see them nonetheless. And I did want to pick them up on release day and get you guys some content. So the Jordan 11 Gammas, let me know if you guys were able to pick them up here on release day, and we'll take a look a little bit more about them when we get back at the crib. I just wanted to do the sneak peek here in the car. The Jordan 11 Gamma Blues. Let me know if you guys were able to pick them up today. There they are, black, Gamma Blue, and black. Gamma Blue Jordan 11s. here on release day. Let me know if you guys cop down below in the comments. Back home, let's take a look at the Air Jordan 11 Gamma 2025. Wow, they are back for the first time since 2013 is when these first released. This is not an OG, it is a new colorway, but they decided to retro them here in 2025. And if you really think about it, it is a popular Jordan 11. So I understand it, people wanted them, they've been calling for them to come back with the high cut patent leather, and they're here. They are here. Good to see them. Personally, I don't really care for them too much. Oh, that's disappointing. I did not even know that. So there is no special shoe tree. That sucks. Damn paper. It is what it is. No special shoe tree, just a little bit of a special box, but no, you know, pull-out box like we used to get back in the days. It is what it is. We gotta be used to that by now. All black Jordan 11 with some colors. You got the blue, you got the yellow, and that's about it. You got it on the tongue as well, and that's it. And on the insole. And then on the bottom, the blue as well. But that's about it. Other than that, a mostly black Air Jordan 11. They're clean, they're simple, they're easy to wear, they're easy to rock, and they're nice. Can't go wrong. If you like them, I love them. If you hate them, well, get lost. No, I'm just kidding. But they are still a cool pair of Jordan 11s. Personally, I'm not a huge fan. I never truly was. So for me, it's an easy pass. I'm just being honest, just keeping it real. I much rather have the Black Hat 4s, which I did wear to pick up the Gammas today. So I've been rocking my Black Hats, enjoying those. So I'm good on these. I don't really care for the Gammas, but it's nice to see them. And I did have to go ahead and pick them up here on release day for retail to show you guys some content on the Gamma Jordan 11s. Let me know down below if you guys picked them up. If you guys did cop, comment a bunch of fire emojis. If you didn't cop, comment a bunch of trash emojis. If you guys need pairs, just go true to size. And, well, I guess you're going to be stuck paying resale. If you do truly want them and are willing to wait it out, I do recommend waiting. I do think prices will come down. We are in the holiday season. However, I don't believe they made as many pairs as people thought they would have of the Gammas. I feel like this is more of, I'm not going to say limited, but more on the limited side of prior Jordan 11 releases for the holidays that we've gotten for the past handful of years. I think they made less pairs of these than, say, the Legend Blue Jordan 11s, for example. So, just my opinion, my thoughts, and I think demand is definitely higher on these than, say, the Legend Blues was as well. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching.